Hi guys, quick video today. Metal Mickey here. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Right, this is bought a new used second-hand metal detector, and all the coating on this is all perished, just falling apart. Literally just falls off. So what I've done, I'm gonna do a little area just quickly because I don't want to just do it all over. I bought this. It's liquid plastic or a liquid electrical tape off of I think it was off of eBay, and apparently you just paint it on. Maybe I shouldn't do it near the handle. I'm going to do it this side. And it's meant to coat it and waterproof it in one go. So you can get it quite neat. I will say you want to peel it all off this stuff because you want to keep it together. So and I'd say you want to use it quite sparingly. And plenty of ventilation because it absolutely reeks. There you go. I'm going to leave that bit because if it's absolute shite, I won't be using any more of it. But it looks quite good at the moment. Just a little bit there I want to cover. Just want to get it in there because I want that waterproof. Yeah, so looks quite good actually. We'll leave that there to dry. Don't know how long it takes, but I will let you know as soon as possible.